It's home of the platypus, if you can find him. All the customers that come in, they ask about the platypus. So we've spent hours trying to find the platypus. Haven't found him yet, but I'm sure he's here. I think it's 1860s. It was built. It's been around a little bit. It was a holding courthouse for prisoners and a cafe now. My homemade sausage rolls, they're done daily. I do make pumpkin soup and a lot of the slices I do myself as well. All made on site.
We love working here on Sunday because we interact with all of our customers. They interact with each other. They get good bargains here.
We raise money for the community. All our profits go back into the community, and we support all not-for-profit groups. We're a very progressive town. We've just putting an art trail in for walks through the town, through all the sculptures will be there. And people are very friendly.